may bagong Senate President pro tempore at siya na ring acting Senate President ng Senado sa katauhan ni Senator Win Gatchalian. Matapos ang 2 araw na walang sesyon, nakabuo ng 12 senador na present sa naging plenary session bandang alas 3:20 ng hapon Miyerkules. Ang dating 11 senador ng minority ay naging 12 sa pagdalo ni Senator Chis Escudero. Matapos ideklara na bakante ang lahat ng posisyon sa Senado, agad na nagluklok o naluklok si Senator Gatchalian bilang Senate President pro tempore at acting Senate President. Nanumpa si Gatchalian kay Senator Tito Soto.
Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen, the Chair would like to state for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. After the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes. And with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
At dahil dineklara na ring bakante ang mga posisyon sa Senado, ay nagluklok na rin sila ng bagong mga chair ng mga committee. Maging ang Senate Secretary at Senate Sergeant at Arms ay napalitan na rin. Samantala, si Senator Miguel Zubiri ang chair ng Committee on Rules at si Senator Erwin Tulfo ang chair ng Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations o mas kilala bilang Blue Ribbon Committee.
You have to give me time until Monday next week kung sino po at yung oras po at exactly 9 a.m. on Monday there will be a blue ribbon hearing.
Samantala, sa pahayag ni Senator Chis Escudero sa kanyang social media site, hindi ito usaping politikal at hindi pagpili ng paninindigan, kung hindi, ito ay paninindigan para sa Senado at sa tungkulin. Anya, ang naaapektuhan ay ang kakayahan ng Senado na gampanan ang tungkulin, kung kaya't ito ay naging basehan ng kanyang pasya.